Each year, 5 million workers are injured on the job. 1 out of every 4 occupational injuries involves the back, making back injury the single most common cause of worker compensation payments. At a cost of over $20 billion per year for medical payments, lost productivity, worker replacement, and other related disability claims, back injury impacts not only the individual, but also a hospital's bottom line. Each day, 145,000 Americans are absent because of back strain or back injury due to improper lifting. Under normal circumstances, people are able to lift tremendously heavy objects. Under the wrong circumstances, they can suffer irreparable damage. A recent federal study showed that back injuries occurred in workers lifting less than 60 pounds at the time of injury. They had held the object for under 60 seconds. And for those sustaining injury, over half had never had a back problem before the incident. With mounting concern for worker safety, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, has begun to staff its regional offices with specialists in musculoskeletal risk management. As reportable injuries mount, hospital managers are evaluating new devices that lower the risk of on-the-job back injury. One risk reduction device is the SAF-T-POLE. The SAF-T-POLE provides a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage and a unique push-down lift-up system. To understand how the SAF-T-POLE lowers the incidence of injury, we must first explore the back to understand how injury occurs. The back is made up of about 400 muscles which hold together 24 vertebrae. These structures are connected to 103 joints. Together, these structures surround a delicate spinal cord no larger than the width of a finger. The muscles support the 3 natural curves of a healthy back: the cervical curve, the thoracic curve, and the lumbar curve of the lower back. While the back is designed to withstand tremendous stress, a simple twisting motion can damage structural alignment. In the hospital setting, most back injuries occur when muscles or ligaments are stretched or taxed beyond their limit. Generally, injury is sustained when lifting occurs from the waist rather than with the legs. Lifting heavy irrigation fluids onto an IV pole, elevating a pole with heavy fluids, or changing bags often results in worker injury. Armed with research data, injury statistics, and extensive experience in designing OR safety products, the engineers at American Medical Manufacturing, together with OR nurses, developed a unique patent-pending irrigation tower that reduces the risk of back injury. The SAF-T-POLE has been designed with an easy 2-step assembly. Simply insert the 5 casters into the base holes, then insert the bolt through the base plate hole, and secure the base to the pole. The unit is designed to provide the nurse with a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. By reducing the force or energy by 1/2, back stress is dramatically reduced. Designed for ease of use in the OR environment, SAF-T-POLE is made of hard anodized aluminum and stands on a non-tippable inverted base that provides additional stability in use. The upper segment of the pole is raised by advancing the pole upward. The spring-loaded plunger automatically latches and locks into position. To elevate the pole further, pull the plunger while raising the pole until it latches. In the second position, fluid height is 7.5 feet. In the third position, fluid height will reach a maximum of 8 feet. Sterile solutions hang from one of 4 hangers. Each hanger is connected to an independent channel. After hanging the fluid bags and connecting the tubing, each hanger may be raised or lowered using the quick-release handle. Only the arm and shoulder muscles are used in the pull-push technique. This unique feature helps avoid back strain. The independent channel design feature ensures uninterrupted fluid delivery during a procedure. By staggering the bags, 100% of the fluid can be utilized. During high-volume irrigation procedures, or when higher pressure flow is required, The safety pole can be incrementally elevated from 5 to 8 feet by simply gripping the handle, depressing the thumb release, and pushing it downward. To replace empty bags, clamp the tubing and then lower the bag by pressing the thumb release lever and raising the handle. The bag will return to its lowest position. To replace the bag, hang the replacement bag and connect the tubing lead to the new bag. Using the pull-push technique, raise the fluid to the desired height. When the procedure is completed, safety pole is moved away from the sterile field. The circulator grasps the handle, depressing the thumb release and lowering all bags. The plunger is then released and the pole smoothly lowers without a bang. This added feature is due to the special shock absorber inside the pole. It reduces the chance of bag tabs tearing while lowering a regular IV pole. With safety pole, cleaning and maintenance have never been easier. Fabricated with a hard anodized aluminum material, the surface remains corrosion-free, resisting the pitting and corrosion so frequently seen with carbon and stainless steel IV poles. The safety pole carries a 2-year limited warranty for easy, trouble-free maintenance. There are no hydraulics or electronics in the self-lubricating pulley system, so hospitals are assured of a maintenance-free product. Designed for worker safety, safety pole reduces on-the-job injury in a variety of ways. The stable base ensures in-use safety. It eliminates the need for cumbersome sandbags needed to stabilize standard IV poles. The unique push-down, lift-up mechanism with a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage eliminates the need to lift heavy bags overhead. If higher flow rate is required, simply push the lever down to raise the bag. Safety pole is also cost-effective, allowing you to easily change bags and utilize 100% of the fluid without waste. It does not require costly tubing sets used with pumps. It allows personnel to use higher volume bags, which are more cost-effective and require fewer changes during the procedure. The special shock absorber eliminates the bang and the tearing of bag tabs when lowering the pole. Safety pole also reduces personnel time for cleaning and maintenance. Preventing back injury makes good sense in today's cost-conscious healthcare environment. As hospitals take a proactive approach to worker safety, safety pole will play a major role in risk reduction in high-volume irrigation procedures such as arthroscopy, hysteroscopy, and TURPs. Safety pole, from American Medical Manufacturing, the specialists in human safety engineering designs for today's operating room environment.